Hi everyone, it's me. I told you guys I was going to do this a couple days ago, but now I'm going to get ready to do it. I usually do this every couple of months, and it needs it. Maybe. Oh, excuse me. This is what I usually do every couple of months. And it's dirty. See all that lint and crap? I found out right after I got this dryer. I think it was Scratch and Dent is the one that told me that every couple of months these type of dryers with the lint filters in the front of them, you have to clean them out. And I usually do it at least twice a year. And this one needs it, so figured I'd share that with everybody. Please like, please subscribe, and I will talk to you guys soon. Have a good day. Bye.